Good morning. One of the questions we always get asked when we're doing demos and trade shows is how do I clean down a DTF printer and what is the daily maintenance? Well, good news, it takes 2 minutes. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Now, before we get started, here's the equipment that you'll need. You're going to need some cleaning solution and you're going to need some IPA wipes. Now, we only use the good quality stuff, so I don't know what you've got. Be careful because you can, get some cheap stuff off there. Where do we get ours from, Joe?
From us.
From us.
DTF-Printers.co.uk.
That's right. That's the web address to get the one-click print supplies. They come directly from us. The ones that we use, they are high quality. Now, let's go and have a look at the machine and let's show you exactly how to clean it down. So over to the printer with our little mobile camera. And the first thing we're going to do is move the print carriage out of the way. On ours, all you do is hold down the left button. It takes a few seconds for the carriage to move. And then we're going to have a look underneath the carriage and you can see the base plate with some ink on and 2 print heads, the CMYK and the white. And what we're going to do is clean the CMYK and the white, and then we'll clean that dirt off the base plate. The way that we do that, easy enough, is we just get a Isopropanol cloth, fold it over again. Joe's very good at this. We just wipe from back to front on the print heads, making sure we don't touch the base plate. Fold it over so that we're using a clean bit for the second print head. Again, from back to front. Fold it over again so that we are using a clean bit for the dirt on the base plate. Give that a wipe. And whilst the carriage is over there, we're going to clean underneath here. First up is the wiper blade. I give that a quick clean, and then we're going to clean the capping stations. So what we want to keep these nice and clean so that they can maintain a nice airtight bond with the print heads when the print carriage moves over. So we're going to clean, especially on the white one, you have to make sure you get rid of any residue from the very top, the very lip of the capping station. And then we're going to put some cleaning fluid in there. So you see the little plastic grates, we're just going to put enough cleaning fluid in just to cover those. Don't fill it to the top because that can get drawn back into the print head. We're just going to cover over the plastic grates. There we go, Joe. She's a bit nervous. It's the first time. Perfect. Then bring the carriage back over. I'm going to watch this from a different angle because it's worthwhile just checking that your capping stations move back up. And you see here, they sit square and tight onto the print heads themselves. That means you've got a nice airtight seal. It's well worth just bending over and having a quick look. Last thing to clean is the media guides. Now, sometimes a little bit of ink can build upon these. Easy enough to clean. Joe's going to show us how. Just get another alcohol wipe and give it a scrub. You really want to do this because it stops the ink getting dragged onto your media. You don't want the streaks. It's a bit of a pain. And it's easy enough to do. And I get asked, should I leave the machine on? No. Switch it off. The capping solution will keep those print heads lovely and clean. You can leave that for a few weeks, no problem at all. So that was Joe's first ever time cleaning down a DTF printer. How did you find it?
Easy peasy. If I did it again, it'll probably take me a couple of minutes.
No problem. Now, it is important to do it properly. If you don't clean your machine down, you might get away with it first day, second day, maybe even the third day, but eventually you will have problems. It's worth those 1 to 2 minutes at the end of the day to clean your machine down, just like you would anything. Look after your tools, and your tools will look after you. Hope it was helpful. I look forward to seeing you again soon. Bye-bye.